Presenting the 2010 GMC Sierra 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include ABS, intermittent wipers, passenger airbag sensor, driver airbag, steel wheels, power steering, vinyl seats, stability control, and automatic headlights. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.